I wanted to change the way children eat using education and empowerment tools. We started in Houston elementary schools with integrated gardening and cooking lessons that achieved measurable results. Then we added classes for parents beginning at the prenatal stage. We also published children's cookbooks, and we added Veg Out, a campaign that engages the whole community in healthy eating. Concerned that many Houstonians lacked access, we initiated urban ag projects to grow and distribute fresh, affordable produce with initiatives that translate nationally. Then when the White House asked us to scale our Seed to Plate nutrition education nationally, we developed web-based instructor training and curriculum support that works anywhere. It's a 360-degree approach. Everything we do is focused on changing the way children eat and normalizing healthy eating for this generation. At Recipe for Success, our goal is to change the way every child in America understands, appreciates, and eats their food. Now that our Seed to Plate nutrition education is available nationwide, we remain intent on reaching every child in the Houston area with our life-changing curriculum, while at the same time building strategic partnerships to sustainably grow program delivery to other cities and states. We've created a plan to achieve this by 2020 and are seeking partners to help us get there. When we started, there was no measured curriculum of hands-on classes that taught kids about nutrition and gave them the skills to make healthy choices for life. Recipe for Success created one that connects with real staying power, and we measure it to ensure it works. Every class is aligned with core learning objectives and reinforced with worksheets in math, science, social studies, and language arts, so that time dedicated to our curriculum is academically justified. Our depth of materials is unmatched. We also created powerful books and videos that connect with kids and families, as well as engaging, impactful, citywide initiatives to make healthy eating fun, easy, tasty, and affordable. Recipe for Success is extraordinarily effective. We understand powerful marketing and use the very same techniques to drive healthy choices that big corporations use to sell junk food. We put kids in touch with the entire cycle of food, and we make it fun. We also incorporate professional chefs. They are wonderful teachers. They bring a lot of sass to our programs, and we make it easy for them to volunteer by supporting them with tested content. Our chefs can just sashay in and be the star while we're behind them making it all work. The kids love it, and so do the chefs. Research shows that eating more fresh fruits and vegetables directly impacts wellness and weight. That's our focus, along with breaking down barriers to trying new foods. This way, when kids are presented with a healthier option, they'll eat it. We survey our students at the beginning and the end of each school year to track their consumption of fresh produce and their willingness to try new foods using a tool that UT Health Science Center researchers developed. Our kids are eating an average of 30% more fruits and vegetables after just one school year with us. This is a huge needle jump in behavior change. At Recipe for Success, we understand how to create healthy changes within entire family systems by framing our message in a positive, collaborative, supportive voice. We don't preach, we're not judgmental, and we don't make anyone feel bad about the way they eat. We just change it. We run a tight organization, and with a small budget, have been able to create big change. People often assume we're large and bureaucratic, which is not the case. We've built the largest hands-on nutrition education program for kids in the country. Our curriculum not only has a lasting impact on the kids, but it's embraced by educators for its delivery flexibility and alignment with their core objectives. We started off fighting for classroom time to prove ourselves, and now enjoy the enthusiastic support of educators who clamor for our programming. Our work has been recognized across the country, For instance, our first children's cookbook won 12 publishing awards. And in 2010, the Obama administration asked us to scale up for national delivery. We're delighted that now we have a quality product to offer parents and educators no matter where they are. We face many of the same problems encountered by startups and entrepreneurs in any industry. Balancing program aspirations with funding realities, attracting quality talent on a shoestring budget, and building a strong management team to sustain and grow our footprint. The more support we have, the more we can grow. It's imperative that we have the support to grow out of our entrepreneurial stage. This will guarantee our long-term capacity and our ability to help more children. Reaching more kids remains our primary goal, whether this means underwriting more in-school programs, growing our multimedia with more children's books, video, and virtual media, or expanding our ability to reach out into the community with free public programs. We are always exploring new and better ways to achieve our goals. We envision the day when healthy eating is normalized, and we're out of business. Recipe for Success is committed to implementing programs powerful enough to stand up to the billions of dollars a year in junk food advertising that's currently aimed directly at our children. Rather than expand the portfolio of the kinds of things we can do, we prefer to fill the enormous David and Goliath influence gap by growing the footprint and the distribution of our current approaches. This means more programming in more schools and community centers, more books and multimedia, and distributing our television series in more markets.